This video shows how to make lamb biryani. It is also known as mutton biryani in some parts of the world. There are many steps in this recipe. Some of the steps are done on the stove top and some of the steps are done in a traditional oven. The ingredients needed for this recipe are listed in this slide. Half cup of oil is used. 3 onions are used. 1 onion is finely chopped and 2 onions are sliced thick. There are dry masala ingredients: 3 bay leaves, few cinnamon pieces, few cloves, few coriander seeds, mace, nutmeg, and anise. You can see them in the picture in the later part of the video. 2 pounds of boneless lamb is used. The lamb is cut into small pieces. The ingredients for marinating the lamb are the following: 6 ounces non-fat plain Greek yogurt. You can use plain yogurt also. 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon garam masala powder, half tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon salt, half teaspoon turmeric. 4 cups of aged basmati rice are used for this recipe. If you cannot find aged basmati rice, you can use regular basmati rice. 6 cups of water with 1 tablespoon salt is used for cooking the basmati rice. If you are using regular basmati rice, only use 5 cups of water. You can see the ingredients visually now. Here are the spices: onions, the Greek yogurt, aged basmati rice, and here I have marinated the lamb with the ingredients overnight. You can do it for 4 hours also. You will need at least 5-quart pan for this recipe. Put the pan on the stove top, add the oil, and then add all the dry masala ingredients. Saute them for a few seconds, and then add the thick sliced onion pieces. These need to be fried at a slightly higher heat because these will be used for garnishing the biryani. You can add a pinch of salt if you want to these onions so that they fry a little faster. When the onions are browned, drain as much oil as you can and collect all the onion pieces and spices in a plate. Then in the same pan, in that oil, you add the finely chopped onion pieces and saute them till they are brown. Once the onions are brown, add the marinated lamb and mix thoroughly such that the onions and lamb are all mixed very well. Put the lid on and let the lamb cook for a few minutes. Periodically stir the lamb and continue cooking. Continue cooking the lamb till the liquid reduces significantly. Keep stirring periodically such that the bottom does not get burnt. In a separate pan, add half of the fried onions and add the water and salt required for cooking the basmati rice. Bring it to a boil. In the meantime, wash the basmati rice, drain it, and add it to the boiling water. Lower the heat and cook the rice with the lid on. The rice should be done in a few minutes, and the water should be completely absorbed and the rice almost cooked. In the second pan where the lamb is cooking, scoop out the gravy into a bowl that will be used later to garnish the biryani. Once the gravy is removed, spread the lamb such that it covers the bottom of the pan uniformly. Then the rice will be spread on top of this lamb. Take spoonfuls of rice and sprinkle it on the lamb uniformly. Once the rice is all spread, put spoonfuls of the gravy on top of the rice. Then spread the remaining fried onions uniformly on the top. If you have access to saffron, take a few strands of saffron and mix it with warm milk, and you can spread it on the top of the biryani. Once everything is spread in the pan, put the lid on. You should have nothing left in the pan where you cook the rice. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees and place the oven there for 45 minutes. The rice should be completely cooked now. Your biryani is ready. If you gently lift and see, the rice grains are all nicely separated and nice and fluffy, and the lamb at the bottom is also nicely cooked. At this point, you can gently scoop the biryani into a serving platter or on plates, garnish with cilantro, and you can serve with raita, lemons, and onion pieces. I will provide the link for the raita in the description box.